So, you're looking to start an LLC in New York State. Great! Let's walk through these 7 most important steps in setting up an LLC in New York and show you how it can take only a few minutes to file, whether you're using a service or doing it yourself. Bonus, we'll show you a few shortcuts and how you might be able to reduce or eliminate fees. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step is deceptively important, since naming issues are actually the primary cause of LLC filing rejections in New York. You want a name that suits your business activities, but you also need to follow these rules. The name should end with limited liability company or the abbreviation LLC with periods after each letter or LLC. Avoid names that suggest your LLC is a government agency, bank, insurance company, or any other business requiring special licensing. Avoid using any words that imply you're a different business entity, such as corp, inc., nonprofit, etc. Avoid using words prohibited by state law, such as school, library, or college. And your chosen name must be unique and differ from all other existing business names. Find important links and learn more about New York naming guidelines by visiting our New York Formation page. And you can check name availability for free by searching through the New York portal online, which is linked below. Step 2. Find a registered agent. After you find the right name for your LLC, you will need to nominate a New York registered agent. This is a necessary step when completing your articles of organization. More on that in the next step. This is a person or business entity that will receive important documents such as notices from the government or summons if someone sues you on behalf of your LLC. In New York, the Secretary of State automatically assumes that role. Of course, your business address must still be on record so that the documents can be forwarded to you. Super important to note here, the address on file will become public information. And because New York requires you to publish your business's address in the newspaper upon formation, more on that in step 6, don't skip it, your information could potentially be seen by millions of people. Using a registered agent service will offer privacy since it is the agent's address that will become public record instead. Plus, publication costs around $1,500 or more if the principal address is in New York City. A registered agent service located outside the city greatly reduces the cost of publication. You can change your listed business address after you've published if you'd like. If you form through Northwest and use our link below, the service will be free for 1 whole year, and it'll cost you even less. We're partnered with Northwest and may earn a commission, but we genuinely do recommend their service for its value and privacy protection. Step 3. File your LLC articles of organization. This is the step that registers your LLC with the Secretary of State, so congrats! This document includes your LLC's name, the county where the main business office will be, whether the LLC will be managed by managers or members, and the address to which the Secretary of State will forward mail. You can file in person or by mail by downloading and completing Form DOS-1336-F, Articles of Organization. This form, together with a filing fee of $200 payable to the NYS Department of State, should be delivered to this address. You can also file online using the Division of Corporations online filing system. Generally, it takes 3 to 5 weeks to get approval if you filed in person or by mail. Filing online is the method we tend to recommend since you can receive approval right away. If your LLC is based in another state, it will be regarded as a foreign LLC in New York, which means it must get permission to do business in New York. This requires filing an application for authority on Form DOS-2183-F. You can file by hand or by mail using the address given previously. The filing fee for this is $250. Step 4. Create an LLC operating agreement. Although not required by New York law, it's highly recommended to create an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines important details about your LLC's ownership structure and operating rules, members' rights and responsibilities, profit distribution, and internal procedures. The operating agreement keeps everyone on the same page and minimizes conflicts. Some banks may even request an operating agreement and business plan when opening a business bank account or applying for a loan. To make things easier for you, we provided a free operating agreement template on our formation page. We've also included a free business plan generator there too. Step 5. Get an LLC EIN, Employer Identification Number. The final step is to obtain an LLC EIN, which is like a social security number for your business. This unique number allows the IRS to identify and track your business's tax and filing status. You'll need the EIN to open a business bank account, manage federal and state taxes, and hire employees. The process is super simple and completely free of charge through the IRS. Only after you get confirmation that your LLC's name and information have been approved, head to the federal government's IRS application portal and fill out the online form. Make sure you only go through the official federal site. Never pay anyone for an EIN. There are a lot of scammy sites out there that come up when you Google it, so just be mindful. And if you want to be 100% sure, you can find the official link on our New York guide. Step 6. Publication. New York State has a pretty unique rule. LLCs are required to notify the public of their formation by publishing a notice. The notice must appear once a week for 6 successive weeks in 2 local newspapers of the county where the office of the LLC is located. One newspaper must be weekly, the other must be daily. Publication must be completed within 120 days after the day your LLC was approved. After the 6 weeks publication period, each newspaper will mail you an affidavit of publication and snippets of the notice. The next step is to download and complete Form DOS-1708-F, Certificate of Publication. Then put it all together, the 2 affidavits, the snippets, and the Form DOS-1708-F, and mail to this address. In New York, publishing costs vary widely by county. Depending on where your LLC is located, you may be stuck with high publication costs. If you sign Northwest as your registered agent, like we mentioned in Step 2, you can use their Albany address to file. Albany publication costs are low relative to other counties. Subsequently, you can file Form DOS-1359-F, Certificate of Change, and under the third article, change the post office address to one reflecting the LLC's actual location. The filing fee for that is $30. Step 7. File a Beneficial Ownership Information Report. Beginning January of 2024, LLC owners need to file a Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or BOI, with the U.S. Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN. New LLCs will need to file their report within 90 days of formation. The BOI report contains information meant to identify the true owners of the LLC. There is no charge for filing it, but failure to file an accurate report on time can result in a $500 per day fine. You can do this online or by mail. For detailed information on how to do this, you can check out our tutorial here and linked below. Post-formation steps. After you've successfully formed your LLC, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Every 2 years, your LLC has to file a biennial statement with the NYS Department of State. You can file online using the Department of State's e-statement filing service. The fee is $9. The biennial statement is to update the post office address where the LLC will receive any legal papers. File the statement in the same calendar month your LLC became active, never before. Next, keep your business assets and transactions separate from the personal ones to maintain the limited liability protection provided by your LLC. Formalize the separation by having a corporate card and a business checking account for your LLC. Lastly, check to see what insurance protection you may need. Having business insurance is wise since all businesses face risks. Besides, some types of insurance are required by law. To simplify the process, a professional service like Northwest, who we mentioned earlier, charge a nominal fee and can help manage things like this for you, as well as serve as a hotline for answering any questions, which saves you time and effort so you can focus on actually running your business. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up an LLC in New York. All the resources mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. We hope you found this video to be really useful, and if you have any more questions, explore the rest of our channel and website for free resources and guides to start your New York business. If you have any questions at all, hit us up.